Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Glam by Xinia. Welcome to another full tutorial video. If you're here for the very first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you here again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this beautiful client of mine, and this is a full video tutorial guide, so sit tight and enjoy. I started off with cleaning her face with a micellar water using the baby wipes, Angel's baby wipes. So after cleaning it up, I moisturize the face with a setting spray. I always do that just to give the face a little moisture, then allow it to sit in by drying it with a fan. Then I went in with this face serum, just to prevent the face, just to protect the face from any side effects of makeup. After that, I applied a lip balm on her lips to soften it and get it ready for a lip stain. Then I went in with this Moist Essence moisturizer just to give the skin more moist, just to make it, just everything is just face prep, preparing the face for the makeup. So make sure you apply it in. Then I cleaned up my hands and blended it into her skin. I just want the whole face, like the product, to sit into her skin. Then after drying it off, I went in with this primer from Adventure Cosmetics. I applied it on the T-zone areas of her face, that is where she sweats and bring out oil. So after the primer, I applied a foundation. There's something about this foundation. It's from Vee Beauty and is a second skin. I think the name is Second Skin. Like the way it sits into the skin is amazing, and it's so light and also full coverage. That is one good thing about it. You can see it on her skin, looking light and also a full coverage. It covered all the dark spots on her skin. So then I blended it into her skin with a damp beauty sponge. Make sure you avoid applying foundation under the eyes, because that area is where you're going to highlight, so you don't want too much product to be there. So you blend. The key to a flawless makeup is a well blended base. So after that, I went in with a lip stain for my blush. Okay, this blush was actually way pink for her, because at the end, after blending, it didn't really pop, it didn't really show. So but anyways, I still like it, because you know that at the end we still apply a dry blush. So then you blend. I used the other side of the sponge to blend, not the side I used for my foundation. You can as well use a brush to blend. One of these days I'm going to do a video tutorial where I'm going to use brushes all through, so that you guys will see how it is, like how easy it is to also use a brush to apply your makeup. Then after that, I went in with this Blossom, sorry guys about the noise, I went in with this Blossom concealer. I've forgotten the shade. I think this is what's the name, I don't know the name. So you can see the areas where I applied the concealer: on the forehead, under the eyes, the nose, the jaw. Then after that, I blended them in. This time around, you're not blending out, you're focusing on the places where you are highlighting. So you blend it into the skin. You dab. You don't blend out, you don't drag it, you just blend it into her skin to give you that seamless finishing. So that is it. After the blending, we are going to set the blended areas. So I'm using a powder to set it, the same shade with the concealer, the highlighting shade of concealer. So you use your foam to, you can see I'm using this puff to apply the, but before, if you notice, before I say applying the setting powder, I used my beauty blender to blend the areas I highlighted, because I don't want any crease makeup. I don't want the makeup to crease or break. So I used the blender to make it smooth before applying the setting powder, because I want a clean and flawless makeup, remember. So after that, after setting the areas where you highlight, the next thing is to contour. And remember, when you are doing your contour, you are using a shade darker than the person's skin or 2 shades darker. Remember that. Then when you are doing your highlighting, you are using a shade lighter than the person or 2 shades lighter. So I did a reverse contour as well. So this is the contour. I'm using powder contour. Remember, I always do powder contour. So I'm using 2 shades darker than her, so to sculpt out the nose. Yeah, please make sure that the areas we are sculpting out, the lighter area, is a bit tiny. That is the only way the pointed nose effect that you're trying to create will pop. So after that, I changed my brush to do the cheek contour, that is the cheekbone. I contoured it and contoured the forehead. You guys know the areas you contour already. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to do a well-detailed tutorial on how to do your skin work, that is foundation, highlighting, contour, and setting the face, the areas you contour, the areas you highlight, a well-detailed tutorial. So guys, after that, I went in with my dry blush. Yeah, I love blushes. Like, I love applying them. It gives me joy. The way it lifts up your makeup, the way it takes it from 5 to 10 is amazing. It amazes me. So I applied the blush on the cheek. You can see how fine it's looking already. So after that, I will go ahead and spray a certain spray just to make sure the whole product sits into her skin. It melts the whole product together. So after that, I'm going in with then you allow it to dry. Remember, I'm going in with this setting powder from Nye. It's a translucent powder, so it goes for all shades. So I am applying them on the areas where I highlighted, not contoured, but highlighted areas. I'll use it to bake those areas. And guys, before I forget, my online class is coming up on the 28th to the 30th of September. Do well to register. Drop a comment at the comment section to register, or check me on Instagram at Glam by Xinia, the same name on the YouTube channel. Check me and send me a DM. Same thing on Facebook. You can search my name and send me a DM for more details. So I also did a reverse contour as well, just the areas where I highlighted. I will bake. So that is it, guys, about skin work. Skin work is quite easy, it's quite fast for me. That is like one of the easiest things I do in makeup. So after this, we'll go ahead and do eyeshadow. But in this video, I did not put the eyeshadow tutorial because I did a cut crease. It's quite long and I want it to be a detailed tutorial. So in my upcoming video, I will show you how I achieved the eyeshadow. Yes, it will be a well detailed tutorial video. So this, I'm just applying my hair wax on the brow hairs just to make it to slip into her skin, to lay them flat and set it. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and do the brows. I told you guys I'm not posting the eyeshadow tutorial. Is not on this particular video. It will be my next video. So that is it. I'm done with the eyeshadow. You can see this eyeshadow is fine. You can't afford to miss that tutorial video. Like, it's a well detailed video. It's coming up after this video. So then I will stay outlining my brows with, I love to use brow gels. It's quite easier and is well pronounced. Like, I feel it's easier than pencil, though pencil is still very nice. If you have pencil and it's the one that works for you, you can still use pencil. Sometimes I do use pencil, but this one is quite easier for me nowadays to use. I've been using it for like over 3 years now and it's working for me. So after outlining the brows, I filled it up. I know, guys, I promised you a well detailed brow tutorial. It is still going to come up, but for now that I've not posted it, I'm not going to like do a well detailed tutorial until I post it. So after outlining and filling the brows, I used my concealer, the same shade I used to highlight her face, to clean up the brow bones, just to give it more details, to make it to be more outlined. Sorry. So for the upper part of the brows, I'm using her foundation shade, while the brow bones, I used a lighter shade of concealer. So after it, wherever you apply the liquid product on the face, please try and set that area. So I'm setting it with a powder, the areas where I highlighted. So I set it with a powder, blended it with the eyeshadow, and that is it. It will even help you to blend out your eyeshadow, to give it that well transitioned look. So after that, I went in with a shade of a powder to blend the whole face together. Like, the face has been divided, so I'm trying to bring them together. So the key to a flawless makeup, remember, is blend, blend, blend. Make sure you blend everything together. We are not going to see where this one started and where the other one ended. There should be no harsh lines. So when you blend everything together, your makeup will look clean and flawless. Yeah, you can see it's already coming together. So after blending, then you now set it, spray it. You can spray as much as you want during your makeup process. You can spray like up to 4 or 5 times, depending on how you feel the makeup. If the makeup is not sitting into our skin, you can spray over and over again until you get the result you are looking for. So I went in with a smaller brush to blend the inner corners of her eyes, her forehead, and all that. So after it, I'm going to spray to give it that well blended, melted look. Please remember that when you want to spray, you should cover the eyeshadow so that the spray doesn't spoil your shadows. So cover it with your hand, then now spray and dry. Yeah. So after that, we're going to do our lip stain. So I'm using a coffee brown lipstick because she is caramel. So after I use it to outline this particular lip tutorial, I had to speed it up because it was quite long. Yeah, so after outlining, then I use the brush to blend out the harsh lines. Like, I don't want to do too much on the lips, so I just use it to blend them out. You can see it's even fine. Like, if you can actually wear a lip like this, her lips is quite fine, it's quite colorful. So but we still have to apply a lighter nude. Yeah, so this nude is from Nutella Cosmetics, and it's not like nude. I think it's a peach color. Yeah, so it's a glossy lip stain. So I used it to apply all over the lips, even where I outlined. So it helps me to blend so easily. You can see that I didn't have to waste time in blending. It blended it on its own. So after that, I went in with this blossom blossom, what's the name again, lip gloss, to pop up the whole lips. I love lip glosses. It gives it this shiny, elevated look. So after it, I line the under eyes, that's the waterline, with my gel liner, the same one I've been using, Carite, the black shade. So I use it to line the underline eyes and give it that lifted wing look. Don't worry guys, you get to see a well detailed tutorial of this eyeshadow look in my upcoming video. That will be the next video I'm dropping on this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. so that you don't miss it. Like, the eyeshadow is so fine, it's not something you ought to miss. So guys, turn on that notification bell now and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button. You've been watching this video up to this point and you've not liked this video. That's not fair. Hit the like button to support me and share as well. So here I applied mascara on the lashes just to make it stand up and also make it dark, because I want to apply I want to fix the lashes so that it's easy for me to fix. So then I highlighted the nose. You can see the areas where I highlighted, then I blended it with my finger. Then this is like a highlighter, it's a pigment but I use it for a highlighter. I like the way it gives a glittering stuff on the cheek and on the forehead. So after that I went in with a glitter glue because I wanted to like add a little shimmer and a little pigment under her eyes, the waterline. I wanted it to pop up her eye look. So that is it. That is me adding it. So after adding the pigment, the highlighter, I used the highlighter. After adding it, I added a little shiny pigment on it, then dusted it off. Yeah. So about the lashes, I didn't get to fix the lashes because when I wanted to record it, I didn't get to record the lashes, my phone went off. So in my other videos I'll still show you guys how I fix my lashes. So I'm sorry about that. Then I went ahead to lock the whole makeup, and that is it guys. So simple, so easy, something you can do on your own. You can see the final look. It is giving what it should give. I love this look so much and I know you do as well. Do like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.